Hi, this is Eric Thompson with Simply Nook, and this is a demonstration of AirServer Connect 2, which is an excellent solution for wireless screen mirroring. Screen mirror is an essential technology in corporate settings in the conference room, and now we're seeing a lot of new demand for collaboration zones within open concept work environments. Screen mirroring is also a key technology in the digital classroom environment to easily and simply share content between the teacher's device and student devices and a large screen in the room. Sharing content wirelessly eliminates the need for easily misplaced dongles or mismatched port-to-cable technologies. And the performance and ease of use of AirServer Connect 2 makes this a very compelling wireless solution to the screen mirror and content sharing needs of both corporate and education segments. Fundamental to making AirServer Connect 2 so easy to use is its support of all the key native protocols. So Miracast, Google Cast, and AirPlay. So this means connecting any client device without the need for an installed third-party application. It just simply works with Windows PCs, Chromebooks, Apple computers, iPhones, iPads, and Android phones. In terms of performance, you can connect 8 devices simultaneously while enjoying 60 frames per second video playback at 1080p for buttery smooth playback and no drop frames. Hey, let's get started with the demonstration. I mentioned the wide range of devices that can easily connect, and we've got a number of those device types with us here today. So let's see how easy it actually is by starting with a MacBook Air. Apple devices use AirPlay, so we just connect up directly to the AirServer unit by clicking on the Control Center, choosing Screen Mirror, and pick the AirServer. And here comes Chris's MacBook Air now. And since we can simultaneously connect up to 8 devices, let's also connect up an Android phone. Google devices use Google Cast, and so what we do is we drag down from the top, pick Cast, and also select the AirServer, and the Android phone is coming up here. To keep it interesting, let's also add a Windows PC to the mix using Miracast. To do that, it's the Windows key plus K, and the AirServer comes up here. And there we go. Very simple. High quality images. We're quickly displaying content from multiple device types, and none of them needed to have an application installed on it to work. We can have 5 more connected and still enjoy the great performance, even in high definition video. In a typical use case, we'll have a need for multiple people sharing and collaborating on content from different devices, but trading off focusing on one or another at a time. And an AirServer makes it very easy for the presenter to manage that. They can pick which content they want as the primary by clicking to maximize like this, and when they want to change, they can minimize it and then bring up the next one, quickly moving back and forth between content and devices. Let's use the Windows device to play some video. You'll see how the AirServer supports 60 frames per second in high definition. Very smooth, no lost frames. We get a lot of feedback on the importance of high quality video playback, and AirServer is best in class on this requirement. Another key area of feedback is the importance of manageability. And the management console in AirServer is an excellent feature. And it can be personalized locally, for example, by a teacher in their classroom, or remotely through the cloud by a central IT department, for example, on a corporate campus with multiple AirServer endpoints used by many different people and where you need consistency of the experience. Let's look at a couple of personalization features. You could designate a specific name for the AirServer endpoint in the console here. We've named this one AS1. We've simply entered the name there in the portal and saved it. This can be done remotely, which allows IT the ability to manage individual status and features of each deployed unit. The access screen can also be personalized by moving it and deciding where you want it placed on the screen. So let's decide here where we want it. On the left, the right, or small and down to the lower left corner like this. Back in the center, you see the access point has the name, It's got a password and a QR code for easy and multi-choice ways to quickly access the screen and bring up a mirror session. One of the really useful features is the ability to change the background when the screen is not in use sharing content from a client device. It acts essentially as a digital sign. So imagine in the classroom how the teacher can use the Air server to display content of their choice related to the lesson plan when the screen is not being used in a share mode. Could be a map or a picture image or even a looped video. In a corporate setting and controlled by central IT, it could be used to communicate important information to employees or personalize with the company logo or featuring the company website. Let's set our background as the Simply Nook website, and immediately you have a new background with the Air server access information minimized in the lower left corner so it can easily be accessed for a screen mirror when needed. The next important capability I want to touch on is security and control. Air server has a moderator mode, so the teacher or the group leader or a presenter can control who and what is being shared to the screen. This is particularly important in the classroom setting. We start by turning that on in the management console here. The teacher or the IT department can also choose to require a password or code if they really need to tightly manage access. That's also turned on here in the console and can be done locally or remotely from any device. Since we turned moderator mode on, let's connect one of our other devices again to the Air server, and we'll see how that prompts the leader to now accept or deny entry. There you go. There you have it. Air Server Connect 2 is a great solution for wireless screen mirroring. Supports AirPlay, Google Cast, and Miracast for simple, immediate access with any device. High quality, super smooth video, easy to use, feature-rich management and security, and use it as a digital sign when not in use sharing content. Contact us here at Simply Nook for more information. Thank you.